Hello, this is Ninang, and I just want to share with you my experience with Sun Life Insurance. If you can remember, way back March of this year, na-hospital si Ninang, and sobrang biglaan talaga siya. I had my gallbladder removed because of gallstones, and hindi ko talaga ina-expect yung moment na yun kasi sumakit na lang siya bigla, and then the doctor told me that it's inflamed na, as in puputok na talaga yung gallbladder ko, and they have to schedule an operation right away. Well, to cut the story short, sa mga ganung moment talaga, hindi mo inaasahan yung mga biglaang gastos, hindi mo inaasahan yung mga biglaang may nagkakasakit. I'm so glad that time we also have our health card from my husband's employer. That's why nakatulong din yun sa mga ginastos ko. Also, if you have your PhilHealth, malaking bagay din yan para mabawasan yung mga magiging bills ninyo sa ospital. However, yung pinaka-unexpected ko talaga is when I receive a call from my financial advisor, which is sobrang surprising talaga kasi noong time na nag-post ako sa Facebook na I'm in the hospital and kailangan ko maoperahan, my financial advisor, which is also my good friend, Ate Milka, she called and sabi niya, "Hey, kumusta ka na? Ano nangyari sa'yo? Do you know na sa insurance na kinuha mo from Sun Life ay pwede ka makakuha ng money, some amount of money to use para sa bills mo or para sa mga gamot na ibibigay sa'yo ng doctor." So, nagulat talaga ako that time na I'm not expecting na merong ganon. Kasi hindi ako masyadong mausisa. Although kumuha talaga ako ng life insurance like 3 years ago, if I remember it correct, kumuha ako ng life insurance. The only reason is para safe or secured yung family ko, especially my kids, just in case alam mo kunin tayo agad ni Lord. So yun talaga yung focus ko that time nung kinuha ko yung life insurance from Sun Life. However, yung mga ganun na biglaan ng mga benefits na makukuha mo, masaya sa feeling kasi, diba, sa panahon ngayon, sino ba magbibigay sa'yo ng money kapag lumabas ka sa ospital? So, ang ginawa ko lang is, ginaid lang ako ni Ate Milka, my financial advisor from Sun Life, on how to do it. Like, she sent me some papers to fill out. And, ayun na, fill-outan ko lang siya. Also, kinuha ko lang yung mga documents needed as a doctor and sa hospital. And that's it. Pinasa na namin siya via email. And another fill-out sessions, mga information na kailangan ni Sun Life. You don't have to go there sa office nila. If you are a busy person like me, all you have to do is to go to their Sun Life app or website, and yun na, dun mo na i-fill out, i-attach mo lang yung mga forms na hinihingi nila. And then, to my surprise, you know what? After a few days, hindi pa ata umabot ng 1 linggo, I receive an email that my claim is approved. And ayun na, meron na akong bigla ang pera from Sun Life. I will not disclose the amount kasi ang alam ko iba-iba naman yan. Depende dun sa kinuha nating life insurance. But, you know, what my point is, Sun Life or insurance, whatever company na gusto ninyong, i-cater, iba talaga yung may insurance ka na kagaya nun during emergencies, especially kung, hindi naman natin expected. And sometimes, diba, wala tayong money to shell out. So, nakakatuwa lang na makakakuha ka ng mga ganong benefits from your insurance. Kasi ang iniisip natin pag insurance is, yun nga, kapag na-deads na tayo, meron makukuha yung family natin. But aside from that, ang dami pa rin niyang mga ibang benefits. So, you might want to contact my friend and my super duper supportive financial advisor, Ate Milka. I hope she will just drop her link or her contact number along with this video. Para if you have any questions, mga inaanak, you know, life is short, so let's try to make it shorter. Joke lang yon. So, ayun nga, if you are interested na makakuha ng life insurance, so, this is not a paid advertisement or anything. I'm just sharing with you kung ano yung mga nagagawa para sa atin ng insurance natin. So, imbis na bumili ka ng mga mamahaling coffee, milk tea, why not save for an insurance for your family's, you know, security, especially your kids, diba? So, for more information, because I am not an expert with this, just contact Ate Milka. And I just want to thank Ate Milka for being supportive, for being my friend, you know, kapag ka medyo marami akong tanong about the insurance, and kahit sa mga personal thing, lagi mo akong kinukumusta, lagi mo akong tinutulungan, lagi mong ina-explain sa akin yung mga bagay na hindi ko naiintindihan about insurance. And thank you so much kasi ikaw talaga yung nag-open sa akin, sa mind ko na yeah, we really have to get an insurance nowadays. So, thank you so much. And kapag ka yumaman na ako, mag-iipon tayo or magkukolect tayo ng mga insurance. Diba? Para sa mga anak natin in the future. So, thank you and have a great day. Bye!